guys!
Hi guys!
Good morning! So we are on our way now to VIP Optical Clinic para kuhaon ang sports goggles ni Tyler. There! Say hi!
Hi guys!
Tyler is there at the back. So, as usual, init kayo guys, no? So, nag-scarf ang imong lola. Kay init.
Pila ka degrees ka kami?
Later, we will show you the way in going to Al Nasser. So, karon check na ko ha pila ka degrees. Kaganiha is, dili man kaayo init. So, karon is 38 degrees. So, bintaha kay dili kayo init compared kagahapon nga niabot yun siya 40 plus. So, at least karon 38 degrees. So, see you later. So, mauto guys, no? Kuha na mo ante para ni Tyler. Mo din na nagkuha mi sa iya ang kuhaan. Actually, naana siya eyeglasses. Kaso, kailangan niya ng sports goggles. Kay tungkol, pag magdula siya og volleyball, matagak usahay. So, dili siya safe. So, munang kailangan, much better na mag-wear gid siya og sports goggles during sa iyang training o sa dula. Okay, para at least kung mahulog, dili siya mahulog ba? Kay nakakabit gid siya securely. So, mao to guys, munang buhat mi sa iyang sports goggles. So, we will show you later the shop. This is our way guys going to VIP Clinic. So later we will show you the clinic, what's inside.
We are here in the area and walking very hot. Nagwapo sa kilid. We are here in the VIP Optics. Actually, we came here yesterday, but it's not ready yet.
No, ready. This guy didn't check inside.
I see. It's okay.
He just keep fixing.
It's okay. No problem.
66164156.
Tyler, you try because you will try it. Let me see. So, pwede ka na tatalon-talon. Actually, nagpagawa si Tyler og sports eyeglass para sa volleyball, para anytime makalayat, makaspike, dili mahulog yung eyeglasses. So, and it's worth 500 reals. Discounted na siya. Let's go. Huh? Nice, no? We're going back to the parking area. And yun nga, sobrang init talaga dito sa Qatar, guys. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.